Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Femitech video tutorial. Now guys, for today's episode I'm gonna change the power supply for some PC here. So these are the old power supplies. Now there was actually a power surge which actually damaged all of these power supply. So this is the computer lab, right? So these computers actually have 10 of them to actually change the power supply. So this is actually the first one that I'm actually on. Already install a power supply itself, the 24 pin main power cable there, already installed it, and this is the 4-pin one. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the power cable and the hard drive. Right, so hard drive now secure in terms of power cable. Let's now I'm gonna install the one for the CD drive or DVD drive if you want to use, or optical drive. Reinstall back the SATA cable. Seems to be damaged, but it can work. Right, so again double checking main 24 pin, install the 4 pin. We have the hard drive getting power, and also the CD drive. So that's it. Basically this is the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and power it up, see if it is actually working, which of course I know that it is working. Right, so actually power it up. As you can see, the processor fan is spinning, so definitely it is actually working. So I'm gonna move down to the next PC. No, I'm definitely not gonna show you me installing all 10, because they're basically the same process. So let's get the new power supply. Get it out of the plastic. Right, so this is it, guys. So we're gonna actually secure the screw there. So I'm actually securing the power supply. Actually comes with 4 screws, but you can use 2, just put them in diagonally. Ensure that you put one at the plug section there, because whenever you're plugging it in, the fact that you're gonna actually apply a bit of force, then you're gonna actually brace against the power supply. So I'm actually securing it. So I'm just using 2 screws, because 2 of them basically missing. So what I've done, actually place them in diagonally, that way it is secure.